Garlic is loaded with good for you vitamins and minerals like manganese, selenium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and other antioxidants, including allicin. The health benefits of garlic have been recognized for centuries, ever since the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates prescribed it to treat all kinds of illness. Now, modern medicine is embracing garlic's healing properties too. A recent study reports that eating garlic may work to relax blood vessels and increase blood flow. So, grab the freshest garlic cloves you can find and add them to your daily diet to reap these benefits for your body. 1. Better blood pressure. Garlic has anti-inflammatory benefits and helps blood flow more easily through the body. Several studies found that blood pressure was lowered by 10% when the participant took garlic supplements. Keep in mind that supplement doses are fairly high, 600 to 1500 milligram of aged garlic extract. That is the equivalent of roughly 4 cloves of garlic a day. So start chopping. 2. Lower cholesterol. Garlic can also reduce cardiovascular disease risk by lowering your cholesterol. A group of study participants that took a garlic supplement saw their cholesterol levels go down over a period of 5 months. 3. Reduce risk of heart diseases. Garlic is a natural at reducing heart disease risk because it lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. It is also great at reducing your risk of heart diseases by relaxing hardened blood vessels and preventing platelet aggregation. 4. Garlic for colds and flu. Digested garlic helps boost the immune system and reduce the severity and length of cold and flu symptoms. One study showed that taking a daily garlic supplements reduced the number of colds participants experienced by 63%. 5. Better athletic performance. Ancient cultures used garlic to enhance the performance and reduce the fatigue of people doing physical labor. Eventually, the Olympic athletes in Greece started using garlic to enhance their athletic ability. 6. Stronger bones. There is some evidence that garlic can help reduce bone loss by increasing estrogen in females, which can be a big win for your bone health after menopause. Adding a daily dose of garlic could help reduce your risk of osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. 7. Improved memory. Damage from free radicals contributes to aging, but garlic contains a powerful antioxidant to help battle that S-allylcysteine. This antioxidant shows promise in protecting against brain damage and keeping your brain functioning better as you age. It works by increasing your brain's blood flow thanks to garlic's ability to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. 8. Super skin. Garlic is a superfood because it has so many beneficial properties like antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal, which adds up to a big benefits for your skin. Got acne? Rub raw garlic over your bumps to kill bacteria. Just be careful and don't overdo it if you have sensitive skin.